Today's video is going to be on comparing adjectives, and we're going to look at positive, comparative, and superlative. I'll give a quick overview, and then we're going to do a quiz with some fill in the blanks. So let's take a look at that now. Here are three types of adjective comparisons. Number one, adding ER and EST. And the rule says is many short adjectives, usually one syllable, form the comparative by adding ER and the superlative by adding EST. And the examples I have here are positive, tall, comparative, taller, and superlative, tallest. Number two, using more and most. And the rule is longer adjectives, usually two or more syllables, form the comparative by adding more and the superlative by adding most. And so the example I'm going to use is positive, beautiful, for comparative, more beautiful, and superlative, most beautiful. Number three, irregular adjectives. Their rule says some adjectives have irregular forms for the comparative and superlative degrees. These need to be memorized, and here's just three examples. For positive, good; for comparative, better; and for superlative, best. Just an important note, these are the most common ways to compare adjectives, but there are some exceptions and special cases, and I'm not going to get into that right now. I just want to stay focused on what we're discussing. If you do want to see something, just let me know. So for the bonus activity, you're going to write the correct adjective comparison. First, we'll start with adding ER and EST. Number one, the giraffe is blank. What are we going to say? Tallest or tall? That's right, it's tall. Number two, the giraffe is blank than the zebra. So what are you going to say for that? That's right, taller. The giraffe is taller than the zebra. Number three, the giraffe is the blank animal at the zoo. Very good. The giraffe is the tallest animal at the zoo. Now let's look at using more and most. Number one, the sunset was blank. What are we going to use? Beautiful or beauty? That's right, beautiful. The sunset was beautiful. Number two, the sunset today was blank than yesterday. So what are you going to use? That's right, more beautiful. The sunset today was more beautiful than yesterday. Number three, this was the blank sunset I have ever seen. What are you going to say? Very good, most beautiful. This was the most beautiful sunset I have ever seen. Irregular adjectives. Number one, she is a blank singer. What are you going to use? Best or good? That's right, you're going to use good. She is a good singer. Number two, she is a blank singer than her sister. What are you going to use? Best or better? Right, better. She is a better singer than her sister. Number three, she is the blank singer in class. What are you going to use? Best or more best? Very good. Best. She is the best singer in class. Now, I gave you options here because these are irregular adjectives, and if you're going to follow the pattern, as you can see, it doesn't always work. And so for this bonus activity, we're going to write the correct adjective comparison. These are just mixed up, so they're not going to be in positive, comparative, and then superlative. Okay, they're mixed. So number one says, this is the blank weather we have had all week. What are you going to choose? Worst or more worst? Right, It's going to be worst. This is the worst weather we have had all week. Number 2, dolphins are blank than many other animals. Which one are you going to choose? Right, more intelligent. Dolphins are more intelligent than many other animals. And number 3, the cheetah is blank. What are you going to choose? Most fast or fast? Right, it's going to be fast. So again, I just wanted to do a quick review, give a little quiz with fill in the blank to see how much you know about comparing adjectives using positive, comparative, and superlative. So I hope you got something out of it. And that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. I look forward to seeing you for my next video.